What is the number one opportunity in 2019 to make money online? Now, I'm going to tell you this in this video, so make sure you stay tuned. This will absolutely blow your mind how easy this sounds. It's actually ridiculous, and I can't even really comprehend that this is a way to make money. But stay tuned and I'll tell you all about it. So, what is it? Well, are any of you familiar with the website Quora? I'll throw it up on screen. You may recognise it, you may have used it yourself, you may be completely unaware of its existence. I certainly was about a year ago. Now, Quora, in essence, is a question and answer site. You make a profile, you type in what your sort of expertise are, what you're interested in, and you can ask questions, and various people that see your questions can answer them. It's that simple. That is the essence of Quora. Now, Quora itself is a very popular website. I believe it's ranked in the top 20 on Google. You may need to check with that. I might be slightly wrong, but I know that it's ranked very high because I've got a lot of links on there to my website, and all of those links help to boost my ranking on Google, etc, etc. If anyone knows about SEO, you will know that that's a very important factor. So, I've noticed that Quora is starting to incorporate a lot more advertising on your timeline and just general on the sidebars, on the navigation bars, all that sort of stuff. So why is that relevant to us? Now, Quora have just released, I know because I got invited to it, a partner program. Now, this partner program basically pays you money for advertising impressions that you can generate from the questions that you ask on Quora. Let me repeat that. You can type in a question. If you've got a profile, you've been invited, or you've joined a partner program with Quora, you can ask a question, type it, literally like a tweet, sort of 250 characters. Ask a question, people answer it. If it gets views and people view ads on that question, you will get paid commission, royalties, however you want to say it. You will get paid via ad impressions, just as you would with YouTube. So, say for example, I post the question, what is your favourite breakfast? I could get maybe 10 different people answer with various credentials in different fields, all telling me what their favourite breakfast is, how to make it, why it's good for you, why they like it. And if people are searching on Quora, or people have an interest in breakfast recipes, cooking, those sorts of fields, and they see your question, they read the answers that people have given, 1, 2, even just skim read it, and they look at an ad, and if they click on an ad, you actually get views whether they view it as well as clicking on it. But if they view the ad, you get an ad impression. Now, as these ad impressions build, you will get paid by Quora. So they are trying to generate more ad revenue. This is what my theory is. They're trying to generate a more credible site, so they're trying to generate more traffic to their website. They're trying to build Quora, and that's fair enough, and I think they're going a very good way about it. It's a very clever marketing strategy, because people that have already built a significant presence on Quora, like I have actually, follow me on it down below. I'll leave a link in the description, and you can sort of see what I'm on about and explore. People are making significant amount of money from these little questions. Now, I'll throw some of them up on the screen. I can't check now because I'm driving, but I know there was a few questions that I was looking at this morning that have generated over £1,000 in revenue for that user for asking a simple question. Now, some of the big partners on Quora are generating around $6,000, I believe it was, per month from ad revenue from questions they've asked. This is ridiculous. Think about this. How many questions things can you just type out now, right now? Now, bearing in mind, Quora does merge questions if it's already been asked, so you can't have multiple people asking the same question. But if you can think of an original question, which isn't actually that difficult, if you can think of an original question that can gain traffic, gain engagement, and get ad impressions, Quora will pay you, and it will just go straight into your PayPal, and you completely hands off. Now, there's passive income, there's affiliate marketing, and there's YouTube views, and FBA, Amazon FBA, and all sorts of different various incomes. But I mean, this one really is probably the most easiest I've ever seen. It's completely zero startup costs. I'm not going to lie, I don't know what it takes to be invited onto the partner program. I guess I'll try and find that out for the next video, and I'll let you know how I'm getting on with some of the questions that I've asked on there. I'm not doing great, to be honest. I've only recently started it, but I'll give you a bit of an update. I'll throw some of the questions up on the screen now so you can sort of see what I'm talking about. But I mean, yeah, guys, if you want to make some money online, I would literally hop on this opportunity, because it's not going to last long. I cannot imagine that this is not going to get completely saturated quickly. So remember who you heard it from, and if you like the sounds of this opportunity, you want to learn more about it, you want to learn more about these sorts of niche opportunities in terms of making quick money online, and just building a general different streams of income, etc, etc, smash that like button, hit subscribe, turn the bell on, and you might not want to share it with your mates, to be honest, because you might want to keep this one to yourself. I don't know why I haven't kept it to myself, to be honest, because I'm probably going to be absolutely pushed out the market now by all 20 of you that I believe have subscribed already. But anyway, yeah, I thought I'd let you know on that one, guys, and if you like this video, do what you got to do, and I'll speak to you again soon.